Hey, you're watching Alexa, and in today's video I'm going to talk about liquid eyeliner and winged eyeliner, and I'm going to show you how I apply it because I have noticed that over the years my eyes have changed shapes, and you know, there is a particular shape of eyeliner that suits my eyes better. I will insert shots here that I've posted on Instagram before just so that you can see what I'm talking about, due to the fact that I've got skin that folds over my lid. If you are watching this video, chances are you already know what hooded eyelids look like, and you know the struggle that is doing winged eyeliner. In today's video, I'm going to be using this eyeliner by NYX. This is the NYX Epic Ink liner, and I've been using this for quite a while. It's got a little ball in there, but honestly, it works really well. This works with gel eyeliner too. It all depends on what you're into using. Before I get started, I want to remind you guys to subscribe. I'm actually now going to be posting videos on Tuesday, Thursday, and sometimes Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're always notified. And if not, you can find me on Instagram via Alexa Likes. I always post on stories when I've last posted a video. Alright, so let's get started. First, you want to avoid looking down into the mirror, and you really just want to put your mirror like this so that you're looking at it head on and you can see what your eye looks like with it open. You want to really be able to tell where that fold is, because we want to avoid that weird check mark look that you get when you have hooded eyes and you do your winged eyeliner. Looking head on, I do the easy part, which is basically the outer eye. If you even tilt your head down a bit, you'll be able to see where to go. So you can put a dot as a guide, or you can just wing it, literally. But I actually imprinted a dot by accident, so. So it's really the same idea as regular eyeliner. It's just that you want to be doing it with your eye open as opposed to doing it with your eye like this, or when you pull the skin like this, because when you pull it like this, you can't tell where the crease is. But when you go like this, you can, and it makes all the world of a difference. I'm going to finish filling this in and I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is what the eyeliner looks like head on. And if I close my eye like this and look down, that is the shape. If I look up, it's not conflicting with my crease, as you can see. Even when I go like this, it's not in the way. It's just that the flick is further out. It's a little bit of a thick line, but I mean, I really wanted to be able to show you guys the difference, and I knew I was going to just fill this in a bit with some matte black eyeshadow, because this eyeliner in particular is a bit glossy. Now, of course, it's up to you to decide on how thin you want it, or how graphic or thick you want it. I'm gonna do the other eye real quick because that's my harder eye to do, so I can't do that up in the air like the way I did that eye. Alright, so here is the finished look on both eyes, and as you can see, it doesn't really look all that much different than the normal way of doing your eyeliner. It's just a matter of pulling it out further so that it doesn't get in the way of the crease and doesn't have that weird triangle effect at the ends where it kind of looks like cat ears as opposed to cat eyes. All you have to do is make sure that you don't conflict with your crease, and then you're ready, set to go. You can also do a more elongated look or a thinner eyeliner. It's definitely totally up to you. There's also a cutout version, which I personally haven't tried out on myself. I'm a little about it because I'm not sure how I would feel about how it would look when my eyes are like this, like to see a cutout. But yeah, this is how I do my winged eyeliner now. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and leave a comment down below. I have a few videos going up this week, which will be in the cards. If you didn't check that out, tap on that little eye icon and you'll be able to see what I have linked for you there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!